In this video, we are going to talk about the top 3 most dangerous braces trends. These braces trends have become popular online and are being shared across social media platforms. Participating in these trends can cause damage to your teeth and, in some cases, even leave you in a great deal of pain. If you know anyone who has attempted any of these dangerous trends or has talked about trying them, please share this video with them so they understand the risks they are taking. Number 3. Hydrogen peroxide swishing. This first trend consists of people rinsing their mouth with hydrogen peroxide. So why are people doing this? It can make your teeth whiter. This is because it contains the same whitening ingredients found in whitening strips, a product specifically designed to whiten your teeth. The other reason this has become popular is because if it is done carefully, it can be done safely. This is done by heavily diluting it and making sure that you do not accidentally swallow any. This is also currently used to reduce the risk of spreading COVID when you come into your appointment. Our assistants know the proper amount to dilute the peroxide. This is enough to help kill germs, but not enough to whiten your teeth. Why should you avoid trying this at home? It may seem like a good alternative to buying more expensive name-brand products, but there are plenty of reasons to pay the extra money. Whitening strips are applied to teeth only. These products can have a negative effect on the rest of your mouth, such as gums, throat, and tongue. In order for the ingredients to have an effect, they need to be kept on your teeth for a specific amount of time, and a quick rinse might not be enough. Although the name-brand whitening strips may cost more, they are also made up of more concentrated peroxide than the bottles of hydrogen peroxide found at the local store. Number 2. Filing your teeth. The second trend consists of people filing their own teeth using nail filers. Why would you do this? Some people feel that their teeth are too pointy or do not fit correctly, and they think this is the best solution. Others want veneers at a young age because they have seen photos of people showing off their veneers. It is true that a common first step to receiving veneers is to have your teeth filed, but this is done by a professional before the procedure. Professionals know how far they can file your teeth and know the exact amount necessary. If you file them too much, you will hit a nerve and cause a lot of pain. Your tooth is made up of 3 different layers, and if you file through the first layer, you are opening up your teeth to decay more quickly. This first layer is called the enamel, and you do not want to cut through it. When this is done professionally, your mouth will be numb, so you will not experience any pain. Save yourself the pain and leave this one to the professionals. Number 1. DIY braces. This last dangerous trend involves people trying to create their own braces. In order to save money and avoid going to a professional, some people are using common household materials to create their own braces to fix problems with their teeth. Common material used include items such as office rubber bands, fishing line, paper clips, electrical wire, dental floss. Why you should avoid this? The most common way to create DIY braces is by inserting rubber bands around your teeth. This is extremely dangerous because the rubber band can slowly make its way up the gum line and eventually get stuck in the gums and strangle the tooth. This will cause the bone to wear away, causing the tooth to eventually fall out. Braces are never placed near the gum line because when the teeth are moved, the gums get inflamed, which causes them to get larger. If you are looking for a quick way to move your teeth, you are out of luck. Quick adjustments have a much greater chance of moving back. DIY braces can cause infections in your mouth that can cost you more than the price of braces. Not only are there health risks, but DIY braces can also alter the way you talk by moving your jaw improperly, causing a lisp. All of the trends that we have discussed can cause enough damage to cost more to fix than going to a professional in the first place. If you have heard of any other braces trends that could be dangerous, leave a comment below so we can address it in a future video. For more information or to schedule a free consultation, please visit our website at orthodonticexperts.com or call us at 855-720-2470.